Hello everyone, welcome back to Top Tech Tips. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Bluetooth devices to MacBook. Click on System Preferences, select Sound, then Output, or you can click on Sound icon on menu bar to check. Click on System Preferences, then Bluetooth. Click on Turn Bluetooth off or check on Show Bluetooth in menu bar. Click on Bluetooth icon on menu bar, switch it off, wait 10 seconds and turn it on again. Try reconnect your Bluetooth device. Press Shift and Option key, and click on Bluetooth icon. Click on Debug, reset the Bluetooth module. Then, reset your Bluetooth device as well. Try reconnect your Bluetooth device again. I hope you now can connect to your Bluetooth device and enjoy your music. See you next time.